the Onaka Transport Solutions ladder and eventually become chief officer and commander of this place. Huh? What do you think?
Are you seriously asking me about this right now?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's put aside for the minute that you are terrible at your job and have no sales, okay? And let's ignore the fact that Hondo Onaka could hire any one of the hundreds of applicants all around this to replace you.
Got it.
But even if we forget all of that, you want to know if you could run the whole place yourself. In all the cycles I have been here, the only one Hondo Onaka has ever promoted is Hondo Onaka. Is your name Hondo Onaka?
No.
Then get back to work.
We all work together.
Down that right side. Fill it all in.
Welcome in,
For you all. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
all the way in, all the way in. You're not alive anymore.
Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy, pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go. So, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Come along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more
The pilots are flying this thing on this side. Steering us left and right. On this side. So it didn't go up. To go down. Super duper. Now my gunner, you're shooting stuff from any no flashing buttons. We're pushing as fast as we can to shoot. Main button is going to be a square button for your blaster. You get unlimited ammo. Round button is for your missile. We only have one, so only launch it when it lights up, okay? Easy peasy. Now we ran out of money in the budget for the engineers, and we have no insurance on the Falcon. I'm so sorry guys, it's just the three of you. That's okay, you can handle it, right? We're not gonna break everything. You guys have been head down this hallway. That's so much fun. Okay, this video.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in
For your
case.
safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Alright, these
Gracias.
seatbelts are going to buckle from outside towards the center aisle. Once you're buckled in, I'll have you guys pull this yellow strap. Get your flashing buttons to take off.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. I hope you're a good shot. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Gunners, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left
Pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Looks like we are ready to unload.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.